Them sell we out, where them do it for.
Andrew Alaya don't know see it, sir.
Emancipate yourselves from mental slavery.
None but ourselves shall free our mind. Bear that in mind.
Cut off all doubt, all disappointment, all iniquity spell that form against our children and our brothers and sisters in our low places. Go before us at this moment, King Emmanuel. Do for us what we can't do for ourselves. Remove all burdens, remove all pain, remove all shackles, remove all chain. Set our brothers and sisters free at this time. Oh, Most High King Selassie, Jah, Rastafari. Give thanks to the rising of the sun and to the
People production.
Vlog and the go, me a vlog and the go. I have some information for you to know. Blessed love and greetings all of my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queen, my lion and my lioness. I hope all is blessed. And as usual, I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health. You know health our wealth, and your health is your wealth. So I'm gonna please take care of it. You know we're not obsessed though. Yeah, but my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queen, anyone in the end of the world, big up, you know. Especially my fellow Jamaicans. Open your minds and on eyes and realize. Don't make them chicken and fool, you know. Alright, my viewers and subscribers, you saw Buju Banton come out on a ball phone, no? And him now stop talk. And some of them out there we can follow suit, them act like them dumb. See? My viewers and subscribers, I have a video for showing that Buju Banton, and you know we're not instigating our tech side, we just help put the message out there for the world and our fellow Jamaicans. See? I also have a voice note. Voice note is very deep. Yeah, man. Killy them. Speak. Why? You know? After the break.
Everybody say freedom of speech. Everybody say freedom of speech. None of them can stop Mafia from speak. When we say freedom of speech, we say again freedom of speech. Freedom of speech. When they get the one I will with them go in. Some appeal and them want. Who feels it now? Who feels it now? Enough times we got me get hungry. We couldn't go down and show me shot and clothes. It's a shame to die. Who feels it now? Who feels it now?
Can I get a wow?
wow.
Lion foot?
Wow.
Baby, lion foot, big up yourself. The righteous are chill. Can I get a nice moment?
Wow.
Wow, lion foot, righteous stuff. Little bit of baby.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, so welcome back. So first, I'm going to kick it off with Buju Banton. I'm going to hear Buju Banton and say the Gargamel. But the Gargamel now stop talking. And the man make you know say, yo, him no want them money, him no want nothing. What him want? I feel the freedom and free the minds of him people, them fellow Jamaicans, them. Burn the politicians, them. Yeah, man, burn them, man. You see me? All of them are users and strict. Some of the biggest scammers, them. You see me, my viewers and subscribers. So you don't know, I'm going to hear Buju Banton. So here what the Gargamel say.
Good morning, Jamaica, and good morning to the world. All the while I'm telling you, say, today for me, tomorrow for now, and I laugh. For everyone, when I see a post out there and I go and like say, when I ridicule them for the Jamaican when they talk out phone and I talk out for all who out there can't talk for themselves because I'm not fun lock up behind closed door and because I'm so rich and some of them have so much nice friends. When I know how to feel inside, but I can't say it because I don't want to offend anybody. You don't have to offend anybody, you can't tell it to you like it is. Bridges after disaster, Risk Management Act, 10,000 or 30 days in prison. The government of Jamaica only going to 10,000 one time. And himself on a breach of disaster management act, him going to fine for $10,000 or 30 days in prison. That is oppression and tyranny. Resisting arrest, 2,000 or 10 days in prison. Oppression and tyranny. I don't think the law enforcement of Jamaica, Jamaican people friend. On our citizen, on our own brother, on our own uncle, on our own father, and we take this job to protect and serve Jamaica, but to not protect and serve politicians and political interests. Right? When since we cannot speak out against the way we feel without risk of you pressuring we. Now, the Jamaican Constitution does not allow the government of Jamaica to use the office of the Prime Minister or any other office to oppress and pressure any citizen. Any citizen at all. You Jamaicans better wake up before them come kick off on the door 1-1 and do like what you see them do all over the place. Let me continue. So what kind of idiot? Indecent language. 1,000 or 10 days in prison. And them come again and say additional fine of 10,000 or 10 days in prison. For a sergeant police officer. But I notice a trend. I notice everybody who come out in a Jamaica and vent the way them feel. Either the Jamaican populace come down upon them like we're supposed to be sheep. We're supposed to. So if the Prime Minister, everybody say must go near shit, we're supposed to go up there and line up and eat it. Hold on, people. Hold on. Put on your thinking caps. And all the way are fooling. Not because you go when you go to some place make you smarter than we know. No guy can't tell you how to live. I'm not coming with no bag of bullshit like you say all the way are fool. Remember, are we voting in? We're supposed to run the country for we. Don't go like you don't want to switch it on we. Can't been switch it on Jamaican people, you know. And have the people them thinking that they work for politicians. No! Politicians work for the country as fiduciaries of this great corporation to ensure that they do the job of the office that they are elected to do. Do not use the office of the Prime Minister or the office of whichever politician it is to pressure the citizens. You are creating tyranny. You are tyrannical. And you are thief too. Because enough money I get them along with Jamaican people now. You think the 10,000 can feed Jamaican people and lock up the whole island. Everybody locked down on the house and nobody don't want to talk because they don't want a friend. Me don't want no friend, I don't want no friend. I want to free the people. And make the people them live and stop this tyranny wanna deal with. Wanna pushing Jamaica people to the brink. And nobody don't want to tell them because them afraid of. Why? Because I have the death squad them around there. We're not afraid for death, we've been killing us. On a murder way, on a torture way, on a robbery. So what more you can do to it? No, now lock them and try to make it extinct. It's crazy. Free the people and man, use some common sense and stop being so damn reactive. Everybody just reactive. Why? I wanna tell you about shot and none of them take no shot. I wanna try fool boy here. Here we go on. We want to say uno take what uno try give my people them for take. Because when the people of Jamaica start dead, you can't tell you nothing, you know. If you can't tell me nothing when Jamaican people start dead, think about that.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, I hear the gargamel. I say, people don't wake up and open their eyes, you know, I'm tired of telling you, you know. I'm tired of telling you. You see me? My fellow Jamaicans, I'm tired of telling you out there. Stand up for our rights. When we are youth, I grow. Well, by road back we see when man dead and when water gone and like gone all long and you see me, police are mistreat people. I see road black. All when time the system want clean out cesspool, you see me? The drainage them want clean out and everything and people have block the road and them come clean it. Or people want justice and block the road and you see Star and Gleaner come. And them things that they want to cut out from money, you know, freedom of speech, freedom of, you see me, rights. Stop like when I hate that, man, I want to know. Or too much vanity getting on head right now on social media, Instagram and Twitter and YouTube. Yeah, and party on the head. We don't care no more about the human rights. One parents fight for. Some of the young generation nowadays don't know the roots, don't know the history and the culture. And they just want to come party and spend money and mag up on one another and be a foolishness. You wake up and walk with damn eyes out there. You see me? I have to support Buju on this because what? I told the man attack. He must speak for Unu, but like Unu can't speak. No for Unu can't speak. I'm afraid because what? Unu don't get buyout already. You see me? Unu don't get buyout already. Unu don't skip the little money in our pocket. Unu hear a leader and the sideman them. We are working with the politician them and the MP them. They won't care because what? Them up on the big hills and the big house and big car and them pitting go nice school and you see me, they don't care about who in the garrison. If you go, they go hustle and sell long town, sit down on long town on the market and sell and look at peas and yam and them things there. They don't care about who, but when our election time, I only put them in the power. I know they want to come turn dictatorship and no. Jamaica is not that country for no dictating, no dictatorship. That enough for no. Don't make him implement or he come implement that in the country. Dictating and like man bully and cow down. I remember going in foreign law. Not in England that go on. You see me have freedom of speech. The rights for protest. your rights to protest against things where you feel humanity. So some I want to vote him in, some of the service some I because I don't tell you already, enough I want to licky. Enough I want to licky, some of the PMP will go vote for JLP because they get a 10 grand or 5 grand. What 10 grand can do? You might charge on the 10 grand if you get resist arrest or whatever. But yes, they want to go on 10 grand if you take the joke. I'm going to stay there. I rest my case and I'm not saying nothing more. My viewers and subscribers. Big up Buju Banton and open on the highs. Yeah? Stay there. Stay there. Stay there. Yeah man, I'm learning for the talk. I'm not afraid to talk. You see me? Yeah. Anyway, don't know. Was my promise when I listen to the voice note, yeah. See, I remember. Freedom of speech. Zine, yeah, I don't know who this voice note is or who behind it or what. All I know, it depends coming at the group and things. So I say, I put it out there. I'm not scared, I'm not fear. Yeah man. Blessed love to you all and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and click the bell. You see me? Support is highly appreciated as usual. Yeah man, it's another one from Lionfoot. I'm out.
You blood clot boy, Hanjo Wellness. I want all of your rents me gun in your face, but boy. You sell you out of the man vote for you. You come talk about vaccine and $10,000. Pussy you kill you walk in my mother. Take that and go push in your dead out pussy. I want all your man for blood clot or your wife I want fuck her in front of you and push me up in her mouth. Suck your mother pussy. You feel like you can get me out of run Jamaica. So you kill your subby rice pussy. But boy. Yo, nobody not take no vaccine. I suck your mother and your wellness. Pussy clot. I will run Jamaica. Boss said, don't feel life.
If you're having suicidal thoughts, try ignore that. There are people out there worse than you. Did you know that? The one on name reasoning. It's good when you and your friend will are reasoning. You can diffuse the feud by reasoning. Start out to no difference by reasoning.
Yeah man, I eat that. Thanks for watching. Thanks for passing by. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell before you leave. Please and thank you.